Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can post on your YouTube channel. If you wish to create a YouTube written post, the first thing you need to do is to go to your YouTube studio. And as you can see here is my YouTube studio. And from here, click on dashboard. And from dashboard, you will see this option of creating a post. So click on create post. And from here now, you'll be presented with home, videos, playlist, and community. So written posts are created under community. So click on community and then you will have an option to write your post here. Now there are a number of things that you can do. You can enter your text here. You can also upload your images. You can as well manage your polls with this, and you can create text polls with this and even write quizzes. Additionally, you can also add videos using this community tab. For our case, we want to create a YouTube post, and I have here a post that I want to paste here, and then go ahead and add an image. So I'll paste my post here. Now here is my post that I want to publish, and then I want to also to attach an image. So I'll click on image, and from here you'll have an option to drag and drop up to 5 images or GIFs from your computer. So I'll go ahead and drag. I only want one image, so I'll go ahead and add it here, and this is the image that I want to add. And here we go. Now here's the title of my post, 5 simple steps to start making money with AI. Now it's time to publish our post. Now to publish our post, all you need to do is to click on post here. Alternatively, you can schedule it using an option that is available here and click on schedule post. When you click on this schedule post, you'll be able to enter the time when you want the post to be published, and then it will be published automatically. For my case, I want to publish it now, and I'll click on post and give it a moment for your publication to be processed. And now here it is published. Suppose you want to make any changes on the published post. For instance, if I want to remove these statics, all I need to do is to click on these dots here and then click on edit. I'll go ahead and remove the statics. And once you have made a change, scroll down to update your post. And for this, just click again on post. And the changes will be captured. And as you can see now, this is what appears to our readers now. So by following these simple steps, you'll be able to publish on your YouTube channel under the community section. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to support me. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.